So the first one is we are going to make Puffy paint, and it's basically a potion. It's a solution, right?
Okay.
So you can teach kids about solutions when you make this, and keep using your science words. You know, say, "Hey kids, we're making solutions."
Like Puffy paint on the shirt. Ooh,
touch it.
Oh,
it's dry.
Okay.
It's dry and really puffy, and kids love this. This is actually great for making snow paintings too. You know, just like because it comes out looking like snow. But all you're going to do is you're going to take. This is fun. You're going to take a bunch of shaving cream.
I do this every morning. It's not exciting to me.
You're going to do equal parts shaving cream and glue. So just squirt it in the beaker.
How much do you want?
I don't know, like a quarter cup.
That backfired.
Try turning it. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Okay, good.
Until I use this often.
And then you're just going to dump. Here, Phil, you want to do this?
Yeah. What's
You're going to
next here?
squirt a bunch of glue in there, and you just roughly equal parts. I mean, this is like a true potion where your kids can just start squirting stuff into a container.
And use the. I like how you say use the word solution.
Yeah.
Because it keeps them reminded of their like science
And this is just basically two liquids, and you can point out to them that a liquid takes the shape of its container, so that's how they know it's a liquid.
Good reminder of that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, good to go.
And then you take a little bit of food coloring if you want. I mean, you can see how this comes out looking like puffy snow.
I see the snow thing.
But for Valentine's Day, we're going to add some awesome pink or red food coloring, and you're just going to stir this up until it's nice and mixed.
Nice and pretty.
Nice and pretty, and you have really awesome.
And that's literally all it takes.
That's it.
You put the shaving cream and the glue in.
Yeah,
and some food coloring.
You were ready for some real hard work.
I was ready for I didn't know what we were going to do, but this is very easy.
You cut out your fun little hearts, and you can just try painting with it. It's very thick, and another science word you can teach your kids when you're doing this is viscosity. Viscosity has to do with how thick liquids are. You can say, oh, we've made a very viscous liquid here.
A viscous liquid.
Yeah.
I was thinking that.
Yeah.
I really was.
And these are all words you can introduce your itty-bitties to, 2- and 3-year-olds. There's no reason why you can't start making them observe how thick or thin a liquid is.
Yeah.
And the way it works basically is the shaving cream, when it comes out, it gets full of air bubbles, right? And then the glue helps the air bubbles stick. And so when it dries, the glue holds sort of the air bubbles in suspense.
Oh, I see.
So it doesn't flatten out.
How long does it take to dry?
Oh gosh, mine was dry and home within
is really getting there.
Maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Yeah, I mean, at least the outside of it. It might need to dry overnight before you could give it to somebody as a gift.
Yeah. And this is always the best way when kids are actually, playing and doing stuff, but they're actually learning,
Well, and that's what we're all about. We're all about science in normal things instead of things that you, oh my gosh, I can't let my kid touch that because it'll.
Can you read this?
That's.
And honestly, this is what it's a very sweet.
Which camera should I show this to? Can you see it?
That's beautiful.
Can you see it in the light? Can anybody see it? Is it? That's awesome. It really was looking promising. The eye and the heart was looking promising.
It still looks pretty good.
Oh,
okay, enough. Move on.
You have to save this for the rest of your life.
I will save that.